is my Mark 7 Golf 1.8T. What it has done to it is it's got an IS38 with stage 3 tune. It's got the APR intake, downpipe, and then I have a Golf R intercooler waiting at home. And then we have, for exhaust setup, a GTI resonator with the high flow downpipe and then muffler deletes. So not a whole bunch done in terms of aesthetics, but we got lowering springs and rims for that. So.
And how much power are we talking?
360 horsepower and then 330 foot-pounds of torque.
That's awesome.
And then it's got a factory body kit, one of 650.
And this is the, what do they call this body kit? Is there a name for it, or is it just?
I think it's just the sport body kit. I'm honestly not too sure exactly on the body kit.
Yep.
But body kit looks pretty good for what it is.
It is, yeah, and obviously you don't see it that much. I think I've seen one ever.
Exactly like this?
Yeah, not the same, maybe the same color too.
Yeah, I've only seen I think 2 or 3 around here. There's another white one and then there's a gray one, but looks pretty good. I like it. Alright, so driving impressions of this insane Golf. Well, it's kind of crazy, and I think I see a straight. Do you see a straight? I do see a straight. This thing is unbelievably crazy. Holy smokes. It's fast. It takes corners quite nicely. Yeah, it does. And what lowering springs are you on again? The iBlock Pro Kit. iBlock Pro Kit, so it's a 1.2 inch drop in the front and 0.8 in the back. That's a significant drop. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good drop, yeah. And no, not much body roll I noticed too. It's pretty planted. Yeah, it's pretty planted. It stays down pretty good. Yep. Definitely spins. Now, one thing, would you say you would do anything as far as like body rigidity, maybe like a sway bar or anything like that? Yeah, in the future I'm planning on that. Okay. And then a few other things, gonna look into my options, but definitely sway bars in the future would be nice. Yeah. That's the third. Yeah, it's faster than the R, I'll tell you that. Think so? Oh, I know so. You know, once you get up there and speed, there's no doubt. Yeah. There's just no doubt. Definitely a quick little car, yeah, for sure. Especially for what it is. So I got lucky with the turbo. The turbo has 35,000 miles on it before I installed it. Got it for 300 bucks. I have a Golf R intercooler waiting for me at home. I got that for 100. And then I got the intake from you, actually, for 250. So those those parts were actually a really good deal. Yeah. So really shocked at being able to find those deals for what they were. So yeah, exactly. Installation though was kind of on the pricier side. So it typically is, and the only things you had installed would be probably, I assume, the downpipe, and then this obviously the stage 3 kit and the turbo. Yep. Those are the only things. So which I think was very well. I only had the downpipe installed for my GTI because there was just no way I was gonna do that. Yeah. No, I wasn't. I wasn't feeling it with mine to try and attempt that myself. And plus, I had to order it through DOS Auto. Yep. So yeah, they were my old stomping ground when I was back in the old tuner world. Yeah. Yeah, well, DOS Auto's great. I think it's Nick, right? Yeah, Nick. And then there's Peter as well. Yes. Yep. But maybe someday down the line you'll tune yours up. I think maybe we'll see. I'd like to tune it. Because obviously tuned R's are unbelievable. They're fast. You could say from experience with a tuned IS38. You know, it's yeah. Oh my goodness. They probably heard you. Yeah, probably. Wouldn't doubt it. It looks pretty clear. All right. Holy smokes. 55. We're doing 55. Yes, we're doing 55. We're good. So unbelievably quick. And I kind of, just because the fuel cut, whatever it was doing, I kind of let off a little bit. Smart. Yeah, you don't want to like overdo it, but don't want to blow it up. I need to get back to home. Yeah, so. Yeah, exactly. Pretty sure it's 360, but if I'm wrong, then please correct correct me.
360 wheel, 360 crank. It's still
It's
a bunch
still
in a
fast.
Golf. In a Golf. Come on.
Yeah, this one weighs 2,900 pounds.
Yeah.
Just putting that out there. But
Yeah, that is a conservative number.
Yeah, it's quick. It's definitely a fun car to drive.
Yeah, very sleeper-esque.
Yeah, a lot of people say that just because it's literally wheels and suspension. That's the only looks-wise done to it. But
Yeah.
then open up the hood and you see the monster size 38.
Yeah, exactly.
Everyone's always confused as to what this is, like this car is.
It's nice because it fits in there though, you know,
Yeah.
because it's all factory.
Should we give her a little bit more?
Yeah, we'll give her one last blast.
All right, third gear. Here we go.
Oh man. So fast. It is so unbelievably fast. Oh my god. Holy smokes. You don't need coffee. You just have to floor it once in this car.
Yeah.
Just once.
That always makes me up in the morning. Gives me a smile.
Yeah. It's so crazy. And this is running, is this a 93 tune?
The 93 tune, yeah.
93. All right, so we just got back in the Golf. Unbelievably crazy. IS38 1.8 liter Golf. The automatic, just the way it sounds, brutal.
Yeah, it's
utterly
it's
brutal.
pretty weird. So I guess the one thing that we also forgot to mention is that it's not DSG.
It's not DSG, yes.
Not. It's a 6-speed auto, but
Yep.
still makes the weird DSG sounds.
The nice
kind
cackles.
of DSG sounds, but yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. So this is an absolute beast. I want to thank Brett for coming out and
Thank you.
Yeah, super fun. Like so unbelievably fast as you'd expect. I mean, 360 horsepower and you know, a car 2,900 pounds.
2,900 pounds, yeah.
Unbelievable. So, yeah, we might have to see how this thing progresses because you're not done modifying it.
Absolutely
You're not.
I'm
Nope.
gonna keep going.
Yeah.
All the way.
Hell yeah. Well, awesome. Well, thank you, Brett, for coming out, and yeah, we'll definitely have probably more videos to come on this thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Well, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.